Hi everyone, so following on from our session today, I just wanted to do a really quick video to show you how to create your Facebook Messenger code. I did allude to this briefly during our session, but I thought a quick how-to video would be useful, especially since your task this week is to create one for your own business page. So you log on to your Facebook business page, whatever that is, and you're going to go to your inbox. So once your inbox loads up, you will see in the bottom of the left panel here, the information tab appear, and you're just going to click on that, and that takes you straight to your messenger code. Okay, so your messenger code will automatically pull the image that you have used as your profile picture. So again, we've mentioned this before during our sessions, but it's so important that your image on a business page is very easily identifiable. So photos aren't great. We want to see a logo. We don't want much text. It could be, as in the case here for me, an avatar, and yeah, just something that's instantly recognizable. You can download this code and put it on your posters, on your marketing, on flyers, and what you're going to encourage people to do is to scan it. They do that using the Messenger app. So you're going to, maybe if you drop this onto a flyer, you'll have a little bit of text underneath saying, scan me in Facebook Messenger. And what that will do is that will automatically open an inbox message to your business page. So it's going to encourage a lot of inbound leads there from people. If I'm looking at a poster for special offer for your business this month, and this code is there, and I scan it, straight away it's open, it's ready for me to ask you a question, to book in, to make an appointment. So it just converts interest into action very, very quickly. It's really useful to do. So all you have to do once you've gone here is you click download, you pick the resolution you want, so 300, 600 or 1000 pixels, and you will see that it's downloaded and opened there on my laptop, and that is it, available for me to save and attach into print media. Okay, nice and simple. So looking forward to seeing your submissions for this week. Again, please take heed of the comments in relation to what your actual profile picture should look like, and perhaps this exercise will actually highlight that area as well and its importance, as well as being able to create one of these codes. So I hope it all goes well for you. As ever, make sure to use our news forum if you have any queries or questions, and chat to you soon. Cheers!